Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Johnson and this is for MIT 822 for summer 2019 at Fort Hays State University. This is my intro video. I'm a video production teacher. I have a credential in career technical education in arts, media, and entertainment. I teach video production 1, 2, and 3, working on a 4th one right now, and screenwriting is literature. Where do I teach? It's at South Hills High School in West Covina, California. Please do not Google us because it is embarrassing for a lot of things that we're in the news for. So don't do that. Just look at the nice, pretty pictures there. Hypertext and hypermedia. You know, what is important? Now, hypertext, I'm still a little bit unclear. Maybe it's simpler than I think it is. But from what I've read is that if something is written, there may be links where the text will send the reader to another section for further information. Hypermedia is similar to hypertext. Hypermedia allows the reader to link to other media more than just text and learning new concepts. So maybe a video, a picture, audio, you name it. But here, what I've noticed and from a lot of my classes that I've learned is that the importance is the interactivity that helps in students' self-directed learning in both cases. So there's actually some really cool stuff I'm looking forward to in this class. So I'll be seeing you guys around.